Some days I starve, not just for bread, but for a pause, for peace instead. The hunger talks, the nights feel long, this world's so cold, but I stay strong. No strength to work, no light to see, just heavy thoughts keeping watch on me. But still I breathe, I face the pain, still stand upright in the falling rain.
When silence screams and hope feels thin, I dig deep, I look within. Even broken, I still believe there's more in store than what I see.
'Cause the strongest roots grow silently, deep in the dark where no one sees. I've been not bled, but I didn't flee. Every storm was shaping me. Let them talk, let them doubt me. I survived what buried me. From the dirt I rise to be. Living proof, strongest roots grow silently. I whisper hope when no one's near, hide the pain, wipe the tears, smile for the world, cry alone. Carry this weight like solid stone. Empty pockets, heavy heart, but even broken things can start. I know this life won't stay the same. Sun still rises after rain.
Every star got a story to tell. I made it through my private hell. What tried to break me set me free, turned my wounds into energy.
Strongest roots grow silently, deep in the dark where no one sees. I've been not bled, but I didn't flee. Every storm was shaping me. Let them talk, let them doubt me. I survived what buried me. From the dirt I rise to be. Living proof, strongest roots grow silently. One day I'll look back, proud and free, at all the storms that molded me. They'll call it luck, but I'll just smile. You didn't walk my lonely miles. The strongest roots grow silently. Pressure made the man in me. I was low, but I stayed on my feet. Now my pain sings victory. From the dark, a brighter day. From my knees, I found my way. Hear me now, remember me. The strongest roots grow silently. Now my pain sings victory. From the dark, a brighter day. From my knees, I found my way.
Hear me now, remember me.
The strongest roots grow silently. Yeah, solidly. Still growing, still rising. 'Cause the strongest roots grow silently, deep in the dark where no one sees. I bend, I bled, but I didn't flee. Every storm was shaping me. Let them talk, let them doubt me. I survived what buried me. From the dirt I rise to be. Living proof, strongest roots grow silently.